Magufuli hails Zim's peaceful transition, invites Mnangagwa to Tanzania. Tanzanian President John Magufuli has reportedly commended Zimbabwe for its peaceful transition that took place last year, as he invited his counterpart President Emmerson Mnangagwa to visit his East African country. According to the state-owned Herald newspaper, the message was brought to Mnangagwa by the Tanzanian ruling party, Chama cha Mapinduzi, CCM, Secretary General Abdulrahman Kanana. Kanana led a CCM delegation which visited Zimbabwe this week. Magufuli congratulated the Southern African country for its transition that was peaceful and exemplary, saying that it is something which has never happened in the world, so we congratulate the people of Zimbabwe. Mnangagwa took over as the country's leader after former President Robert Mugabe stepped down from power in November, following a military intervention targeting criminals around him. Mnangagwa has since promised to hold a peaceful election before the end of August.